Every day's a new surprise.
When you're learning with us guys.
We live in an actual nightmare!
It's three of us, just three of us.
I know. Try my name.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Congratulations!
Yay!
Your account is now blocked.
Oh, this is all my fault. Why can't I remember the password? Stupid brain. I know it's in there. Stupid.
Hey, come on. It's not your fault. You're just a...
Yeah, you can't help it. You're just a...
Okay, stop.
Felt like your
Who is
friendship
that?
is headed
I
towards...
think it's an insane person.
You don't think I'd know when I saw a bad friendship?
He's some sort of freelancer.
Freelancers deserve to die.
Go on, fire.
Just stop talking amongst yourselves, okay? Just pay attention. Right, now, here's a quick story that might make you think twice about being a bad friend.
I hate this guy.
And yeah, maybe when it's finished. And they turn down his offer without even listening properly because they don't have business brains like me, him. But how can a confident, handsome worm eagle have trouble keeping friends? Good question.
Because of the way you look?
The way I
Yeah, all sort of lumpy and red raw.
don't think
It's
that's
because you look like a bit of a bigger animal that fell off or was removed and then came to life.
actually
It's more like an old person's finger.
Reminds me of an infection I had up my...
What was in the voice?
Looks like a tumor.
I know. It's because you've got beady eyes like a rat.
Well, you're just generally unlikable in a way that's hard to pin down.
And do you know why that doesn't bother me? Because I have something called
Rat eyes!
rat eyes.
That's it. That's the password. Boo.
Hey, there you are. Wondered where you'd gone.
Got him. Pesky bee.
Hey, the worm in my brain tells me I don't have the body type to pull off wearing denim. But I just tell it to pipe down.
And the worm in my brain makes me think that the documents I've been forging have led to many deaths. But I know that's just silly. You idiot!
Don't say that to me. I didn't
Shut
mean
up.
to.
What?
You said
Turn
that you
on
weren't
me.
going to talk to him
He
like that
ruined
anymore.
it. I'm never going to see that
Boo,
skeleton.
boo, here we go.
Thank you.